This is an elastic band for a Fitbit Charge 2 HR. It's just an alternative to the regular band that it comes with and any other alternative bands. This one is really great because it actually has like a slide, so you can adjust the size to however you want. It's super stretchy, great for if you're like on the go and you just want to slip it on. Easier than buckling the clasps. So I'm just going to change it out here. Once it's off, then you can attach this one. It clicks right in, and then you can pretty much slide it right onto your wrist. What I really love about this one is that because it's so adjustable, you can get an even larger size. And sometimes when I'm maybe like pushing a stroller or something, I'll even make it big enough so that I can put it on my ankle, because when I'm pushing my stroller, my hand's not moving, but I may still be walking. So that's a kind of like a hack that I use for this one.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.